Welcome to a world where your income is automated and your time is your own. Today we're diving deep into how you can use AI to generate a passive income stream. Let's explore detailed strategies on how automation and artificial intelligence can work tirelessly for you. Introduction to AI and passive income. The idea of earning money while you sleep might seem like a dream, but with AI, this dream can become your reality. AI technologies are revolutionizing various industries, enabling passive income generation like never before. Let's start by understanding how AI is transforming the landscape of passive income across different sectors. Detailed insights into AI in real estate investment. In the realm of real estate, AI platforms like Roofstock are changing the game. These platforms utilize advanced algorithms to analyze property profitability, predict market trends, and manage properties remotely. Imagine investing in real estate across the globe without leaving your home, all the while ensuring optimal returns on investment. Let's break down how AI can help you select the best properties and manage them with minimal human intervention. Expanding on automated stock trading. Turning to the stock market, AI-driven platforms like Wealthfront and Betterment employ sophisticated algorithms to manage investment portfolios. These platforms analyze vast amounts of data to make predictive trading decisions, effectively automating your investment strategy. We'll explore how these platforms adjust your portfolio in real time, responding to market changes to maximize your returns, and what it means for your financial growth. In depth. Look at AI in content creation. For content creators, generating engaging content consistently can be demanding. Here's where AI tools like Lumen 5 and Canva come into play. These platforms use machine learning to design visually appealing graphics and videos, significantly reducing the time and effort required in content creation. Let's delve into how you can use these tools to maintain an active online presence, attract more viewers, and monetize your content effectively. Exploring AI in e-commerce. In e-commerce, AI is a powerful ally. Platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce integrate AI to enhance the shopping experience by predicting shopping trends, personalizing customer interactions, and managing inventory automatically. We'll examine case studies of successful AI-integrated stores and how you can replicate their success to boost your sales and customer satisfaction without constant oversight. AI enhancements in online education. Lastly, the education sector is also benefiting from AI. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific utilize AI to customize learning experiences and manage course interactions. We will look at how AI can help you develop or curate courses that automatically adjust to learners' preferences, enhancing engagement and completion rates, and thereby increasing your revenue through course sales. Conclusion and call to action. With these AI tools, setting up multiple income streams is not only achievable, but also more efficient than ever. You've seen how each tool can help automate and enhance different aspects of business, from real estate and investing to content creation and e-commerce. So what's holding you back from diving into the world of AI entrepreneurship? If you're excited about turning AI into your passive income partner, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Join us as we uncover more innovative ways to make money while we sleep. Let's make your financial freedom journey a reality with AI.